In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send multiple documents from WhatsApp to Gmail, an essential skill that can simplify your digital communication and file management. Let's start by navigating to your WhatsApp, where the documents you wish to transfer were originally sent. This is a crucial first step because it ensures you have access to the specific files you want to share via email. Once you've opened the chat, find the documents or files you intend to send. Click on these documents to open them, and you'll notice a menu appearing at the top of your screen. This menu gives you several options to manage your document. Look for the download icon, typically represented by an arrow pointing downwards into a horizontal line, and click on it. Downloading these files to your device is an essential step, as it prepares them for upload when you're ready to send them through Gmail. Now that you've downloaded the necessary documents, it's time to shift our attention to Gmail. Open the Gmail app on your device or access Gmail through your browser. Once you're logged in, locate and click the Compose button to begin drafting a new email. This stage is crucial because it's where you will attach the WhatsApp documents before sending them. In the new message window, look for the attachment icon, which is usually depicted as a paperclip. Clicking on this icon gives you the option to attach files. You'll often see two choices, attach files or attach from Google Drive. If your downloaded documents are saved on your device, choose attach files. Conversely, select attach from Google Drive if you saved them there. This selection will allow you to effortlessly attach your downloaded WhatsApp documents to the email. With your documents attached, it's time to focus on composing your message. Write any necessary text in the email body to provide context or details related to the documents you're sending. Don't forget the essential step of adding the recipient's email address in the To field to ensure your email reaches the intended destination. Before finalizing, review your email. Double-check that all documents are attached correctly and that your message is clear and contains all the necessary information. With everything in place, you are now ready to send your email. Simply hit the Send button, and just like that, you've successfully transferred multiple documents from WhatsApp to Gmail. And there you have it. A complete guide to effortlessly managing your file transfers between these popular platforms. By following these steps, you can efficiently and securely share your documents, streamlining your digital communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.